Alright, we got the best two deals at the low. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Macbook to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes. So I'll help out this channel by doing so. Alright, we got the mini splits here, the split systems. Different sizes they got for the garages. These are really nice. Alright, so we got clearance section here for the OPE 329. It's a mower. And then guys, this is very similar to the pressure washers, the Ryobi pressure washers with Honda engines that we got for 200 bucks. Very similar to this. We were so lucky to get these. Make sure you guys stay subscribed so you guys won't miss any of these deals. We ended up getting something like that for 200 bucks. That was just epic. Alright, so you got 78 down for $99. 1700 psi pressure washer from Greenworks. Pretty nice, pretty complete for the car. 151 down from 189. This is 28cc 2-cycle. You got a gas trimmer. 330 LK 233. And then got 199 down from 249. And then we got the Bolins 2-cycle trimmer 25cc. This one's $59 down from 149, so it's a pretty good deal on this one. Guess looking for gas. And then go to chainsaw. This is an 18-inch 440 gas chainsaw, $287. And then we have a 16-inch 40.9 cubic cc, $263. These are pretty nice. And then we got this one. This one's a 20-inch 450 wrench, $359. We got an electric one for $39. Was $199. 8 amp. These are all electric and corded, so light duty use. And then you got utility tall cabinets, $139 down from $149. These are really nice cabinets. We got this Weber. There's a smoky 22 grill, $356 down from $549. We got a hard hat yellow, $187 clearance. It's pretty nice. No venting though. No venting holes on these. That's the only thing I don't like about those. Framing nails, 21 degree, $43. Got another hard hat, white, ratchet vented, $10. We got another 3M there for $20, down from 22. So there's different ones. We got a pass load angled finish nailer, $213 down from $419. 16 gauge. It's pretty nice. We got a grill here. This one's $55 down from $79. Kind of a smoker style. Alright, if you guys doing remodels or for the house, you got a shower here. Shower head. 55 down from 64. Got several different jets there. Got another one here. $21 down from $59. It's a pretty good deal on this one. If you guys got rental properties, this is the time to stock up on these. You got apartments, whatever, even for your own house. Got several different bathrooms. Alright, so this one's a clearance, another clearance section. A mower. It's a 5 amp hour for $299. We got some vacuums here. 226 down from 326. And then we got a misting system, mobile misting system, $90 down from $129. I'm pretty sure this one's going to drop even lower. 227 piece down to $149 from $219. It's mechanics tool set with different drawers. That's combination wrenches, sockets, whole bunch of sockets. $14.98 down from $19.98. Same thing with this one. 65 piece driving bit set with the Tic Tac case. Pretty nice. Great value. Alright, so you got an 81 piece gunmetal chrome Craftsman. It's pretty nice. Steel, $69. I think the steel killer deal on this one. You got a 51 piece for $59. You guys see the difference? $10 difference, and much bigger unit with the other one. And this one's still pretty good price. $149 for the pole saw. You pretty much buy one of these kits and get a free tool. The free tools, you get circular saw or one-handed reciprocating saw. Got a 5-inch cordless angle grinder. You can select for the radio. I would definitely pick the radio. I think I might pick the radio. You got 2 batteries, 2 4-amp hour batteries, and a charger, 149. So you guys are able to buy this and then or buy the pole saw or the smaller chainsaw. Alright, same thing with this one. You buy any of the toolkits, you get a free battery, 4-amp hour battery, valued at $119. There's a outdoor combo kit there. There's a 8-piece combo kit, 6-piece combo kit, and the brushless 2-piece combo kit there, plus a free battery. So that's a pretty good deal, especially if you're looking for brushless. That 2 combo kit's the one to get. And this is the other tool you can buy, so you guys can get the Cobalt free promo. Here's a shop blower, angle grinder, which we did see on the other side. Qualify as a free item. Alright, $54 for this Craftsman 6 gallon, 3.5 horsepower. Got a buy one get one free for from Craftsman, 129 starter kit. Get a free brushless tool. These are RP. These are top of the line Craftsman tools. So definitely jump on these guys. These are brushless tools, including this impact wrench. I would definitely pick that one, or the angle grinder. That is the starter kit you have to buy, a 4-amp hour starter kit. Oscillating tool, remember guys, this does have DeWalt DNA on it, so tool is blade change, so definitely check it out guys. Very, very similar to DeWalt. A router, a circular saw, and you got a 30-piece drive set clearance for $22, down from $24. Buy one get one free, $279, and get a free tool. This is the power stack, 5-amp hour power stack, one of the newer batteries. And more tools are available, not just the ones that they show there. The radio, the XR. You got a tool kit here, or a tool bit set, $14. Not bad at all. You get a lot of. It's quite a little different than your standard bits. Buy more, save more. You buy $400 or more, save $150. Buy $399 or less, save $60. Obviously, the $400 or more are going to get you the better deal with these Metabo HPT tools. Definitely check it out. This deal runs until October 4th. So you guys still got some time on that one. You got some new lower prices. Multi-material cutter bare tool, $59. Ratchet bare tool, $69, down from $129. These are all Cobalts, by the way. A 3/8 impact wrench, $59, down from $99. Your choice of any Cobalt kits, and get a free bare tool. So pretty good deals on these. These do run until October 18th. So lots of good tools to get from. Alright, so these are on clearance guys. Make sure you guys pay attention at your Lowe's. This one's down to $319. It does include the newer batteries, the power stack batteries. You got the rear handle. I would definitely choose the rear handle over the regular circular saw. Then these on clearance for $17. Pretty good deal. It does include some precision screwdrivers and bottle opener. So a whole bunch of tools in there. You got a 12-inch double bevel miter saw, $299. Now this is not a slider, but this is still a nice chop saw. It is double bevel. You got a hammer and a pry bar, $7 on clearance, down from $14. Pretty good deal on that one. Looks pretty nice. I wish it was $20. I like, my hammer's a little stronger, or a little heavier. Alright, this is a really good deal on these 12-inch 40 tooth miter saw blades. $34, down from $54. That's a really good deal on these. These are really expensive blades. Alright, so you got a router table and a router switch. $19.97, down from $39. And then the router table, that's $149, down from $249. So lots of good stuff to choose from, guys. 1977, it's a hand seamer, down from $32.98. I've never used something like this before. Let us know in the comment section if you've used that before. Offset long snips, $747. Aviation snips, So it's pretty good on that. And then you got the Versa stack, or the trade stack, down to 111 from 149. That's it for today, guys. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.